Okay, today we're doing a repair video. Got this, these in the trash, this out of the string, one sec. Okay, I'm back. Now let's push all of this over here. One sec. Got all the supplies. And now first, gotta have to take all the residue off. Take the tape off. One sec. Ooh, satisfying peel. No, it wasn't satisfying anymore. Okay. And now we got that out, we can put this in here. So put all the string. Okay, got it all organized. Now, gotta push it all in there. Get it in there. Ooh, yeah, that's nice and good. Ooh. Push it in there. Okay. One sec. So, gotta put the rest of these in here. Okay, little bits. So, let's get the shake off. There. Put the rest in there. That is horrifying. Imagine seeing that at your night, at your bed, creeping on your bed. That's horrifying. That's what I have to see every time that I sleep. Yeah, that's my cat Missy. Don't worry, it's not a goblin. They're coming at you like that. So, and now here's where the real satisfying things come in. Apply this. Okay, any more string? One sec. Got some more string. Plop it in there, and then for the real deal, push it all down, and then apply this, and then gotta peel the tape. Just gotta that looks, oh wow, that's weird. That looks weird when I tilt my head. Oh, that's really hard. Nah. Just gotta apply tape to the opening. Oh wow, that's actually real terrifying. The way that Missy's not moving. We look. Okay. Oh wow. Look at that. It's like he's coming to attack. Wait, oh wow. ASMR. Flap door. Wrong way. Flap door. Open. No. I like it shut. So. Okay, that is horrifying. Just look at that. And when she came down, it just looked like she was coming to eat me. Looks like she's a goblin. Oh, no. No. Okay. Nope. Stay. Okay, stay down. Is it G? Okay, all of that is horrifying. Just like, I wish my eyes could light up like that. Actually, like, that's what she's doing. That's what I witness every time that I have to go to sleep. Her just staring at me. And sometimes I'll wake up to her jumping on me. Because I'm still like, woof. And then like that just pounces on me. And seeing it staring at me like that. Like, it's not moving. But anyways, let's get back to the ASMR. enough horrifying cats. But I'll let you know if there's more horrifying cat. I like that horrifying cat. Okay. Oh, so satisfying. No. Okay. Nope. Nope. To only be satisfying. That. Nice. Listen this. Snip. 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 Okay, that's not as scary. But anyways, that's very satisfying. Listen. Apply. Hope that word's satisfying. Applying. Ooh. Snip. And then look at this. Wow, so majestic. So cool. Am I right? Flip. Slap. Ding. Other side. Most satisfying part is coming up soon. So bye. Just kidding. I'm not saying bye yet. I know I got you though. Why is this not coming off? Don't you... Wait, look at that. I'm holding the whole head up. Imagine if her head actually fell down like... Like, that would be such a coincidence. I think I can just picture the viewers watching that just being like, why does Daniel have his mouth open, just sitting open, looking up? Is he trying to look at the moon? No, I was yawning. So, satisfying results. Get horrifying cat out of the way. Look. There. Bye.